Hey there, welcome. This is Kunal. The other teammate is Shravani and we are team 404 found. So today we are going to show the demonstration of our project, which is computer vision based hand gesture recognition system. The aim of our project is to build a hand gesture recognition system which will help us to detect and understand some of the different human hand gestures, and we'll apply this system to play a Chrome dinosaur game where the hand gestures will act as a game controller. Why hand gesture recognition system? So hand gestures are basically a very important part of our human to human communication, and we are very interested that how can we leverage our knowledge about everyday gestures and how can we use them in our interaction with the digital world. The technology used in this project is Python, OpenCV, and keyboard. So let's start the demonstration. So I have already started the project. So for the recognition of my hand gestures, I need to put my hand in this green box. So let's start the demonstration. So if you can see, gestures, whenever I am showing this hand gesture, the dragon is jumping. Let's try one more time. Yeah. So that's how. Yeah, it's going good. So other than this, the system can understand some of my other hand gestures as well. Something like, so it can differentiate between one finger and two finger. It can also detect my three fingers. As you can see, it is changing the digit on the top, 4, and 5. When I will close, it's 0. So that's how the system is detecting my number of fingers. So that's all regarding the project demonstration. Let's get back to the presentation. So real-time use cases. So as you can see in the demonstration, we can use that as a game controller. The other use cases are, we can use this system as a TV remote controller. We can also use this kind of system in the 3D designing automation. So that's all guys. Hope you liked the video, and thank you. Goodbye.